When it comes to comparing documents, I can show an example of that. So I'll open up some sheets here with just the 2 different revisions, and it's simply just to find your PDFs and drag them in, and they will open up. So 2 different revisions here, and there are 2 ways to compare these documents. Actually, there are 3. The simplest one is to split the view here, and it will show me one on this side and the other revision on this side, and you can have a sync. So if you zoom in, it will zoom in on multiple documents at the same location at a time. So that's one way to compare, or you can use the compare or overlay documents. So I can show you first the overlay pages. It will then take the two sheets you have, and you can select a color for each one of them, and it will overlap them. So everywhere that is colored in black, it's exactly the same, and one document is red, the other is green, so you can easily see the difference from each revision. So that's just simple overlap documents, and it will highlight the differences really fast. So easy to see what has been changed from the current revision. If you want these revisions to be highlighted as a revision cloud, then you can use the let's see, the compare documents instead. What this does is it will run the comparison, and it will actually populate revision clouds where it finds differences on those documents. So I have a document A, document B here, and I'll run the command, and here you will see that it has populated the model or the sheet with those revision clouds. And a nice thing here in Bluebeam is that you have this markup list at the bottom here. It will here show you every single item that you have placed on your PDF. So for instance here I have now it created 12 revision clouds, and it will show them here, and if you select click, and you can do replies, you can add comments, you can even set statuses if it's accepted, rejected, and you can also customize this as much as you'd like.